Hello students, in this video we are going to solve a times b plus c, this is equals to 23, and b plus a times c, this is equals to 24, and here we will find out the value of a, b, c, and it is given a, b, c are belongs to integer. So let us consider this is equation number first and this is equation number second. If we subtract equation number second from first, then in left hand side here negative, negative, negative. A times b, negative b. Here a times b, negative b, plus c minus a times c, this is equals to 23 minus 24, that is negative 1. Now if we multiply both sides negative 1, then in left hand side b minus a times b plus ac minus c, this is equals to 1. Look carefully. Here if we take common b, then 1 minus a, and here if we take common c, then a minus 1, and this is equals to 1. In left hand side b times 1 minus a, and here if we take common negative sign, then 1 minus a, and this is equals to 1. Look carefully, 1 minus a and 1 minus a is common. If we take 1 minus a is common, then b minus c, this is equals to 1. Here 1 minus a times b minus c is equals to 1, and a, b, c are belongs to integer, then 1 minus a is also an integer and b minus c also integer. Because students, if b and c are integers, then difference between them is also integers. So 1 minus a times b minus c is equals to 1. It means 1 minus a is negative 1 and b minus c is negative 1. Let us consider this is case first, and 1 minus a is positive 1 and b minus c is positive 1. This is case second. So we have two cases. Case first is 1 minus a is equals to negative 1 and b minus c, this is equals to negative 1. And case second is 1 minus a, this is equals to 1, and b minus c, this is equals to 1. 1 minus a, this is equals to negative 1. 1 minus a, this is equals to negative 1. If this negative 1, if we take in left hand side, then 1 plus a, this 1 plus 1, this is equals to a, and value of a is equals to 2. And this a is replaced by here, then 2 times b plus c, this is equals to 23, and b minus c is equals to negative 1. If we add both the equations, then in left hand side this plus c and this minus c is cancel out, and plus 2 times b plus b, that is 3 times b, and this is equals to 23 minus 1, that is 22. Then here 3 times b, this is equals to 22. If divide both sides 3, then in left hand side this 3 and this 3 is cancel out, then b is equals to 22 over 3. Look carefully, b is equals to 22 over 3. This is rational number. B does not belongs to integer, so that's why this case is rejected. Let us consider case second. Case second, that is 1 minus a is equals to 1. 1 minus a is equals to 1, and b minus c, this is equals to 1. Here 1 minus a, this is equals to 1, then a is equals to 0, and this a is replaced by 0, then 0 times b, that is 0, so c is equals to 23. Here b minus c is equals to 1, and this c is replaced by 23, this is equals to 1, then b is equals to 23 plus 1, then this is equals to 24, so b is equals to 24. So our solution is a comma b comma c, this is equals to value of a is 0 and value of b is 24 and value of c is 23. This is our final answer. Students, if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel, and thank you.